Picture a nebula, a vast cloud of dust and gas in space. Roughly 4.5 billion years ago, this nebula started to collapse under its own gravity. As it condensed, it began to spin, forming a flat disk with a fiery center. This center birthed our sun, while the surrounding disk gave rise to planets, including our Earth. But Earth was not yet as we know it. It was a molten mass, bombarded by space debris. Over time, this debris formed a solid crust on its surface. Volcanic activity released gases to form the first atmosphere and oceans. Life began in these oceans, starting with simple organisms, evolving over billions of years into the diverse life forms we see today. From a nebulous start, through violent changes, to a thriving planet. That's Earth's incredible journey. Remember, we're all stardust, part of this grand cosmic story. Until next time, keep exploring the wonders of our universe.